Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a card using the Christmas Blockbuster 2021 and the Festive Fun Luxury Topper Collection. The items you will need are a piece of silver mirror, the Penguin Pals Luxury Topper Collection, a 5x7 card blank, assorted foam pads, double-sided tape, scissors and a craft knife, a paper trimmer and optional gemstones for embellishment. Okay, let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to make the mats and layers. So we're going to go in with the silver mirror first as our first layer. So I'm going to bring the paper trimmer in and trim it down to 5x7. And then using the printed cardstock, I'm going to trim these two borders off. Okay, and then I'm going to put this piece to one side to use later. Then what I'm going to do is then take these two pieces and trim them both down to just under 5 inches. So these are our pieces here. Now we're going to take our craft knife and just do a little bit of fussy cutting along the zigzag edges of the border. And then repeat the process for the other one, but I have actually got two that I've already done earlier. And then also taking back the red cardstock that we have left over, we are just going to make our mat with that. So I'm going to trim it to, and again just trimming it to just under 7, and then just under 5. Okay, and then we can start putting this card together. So bring in our card blank and our 2 layers that we've done, and we're going to use some double-sided tape. And then do the same for the red piece of cardstock. Okay, perfect. And then bringing in the borders again, we're going to stick those on using foam pads. You can use either, but any foam pads, but I'm just using the strips for the best coverage and to just go along the sides really well of the borders. These ones are really great for using on borders. and then just place them over the card blank. Across the cardstock. And then we can embellish further with some toppers. So taking the toppers out of the sheet, I'm going to put him in the centre of the card. Now obviously this is raised with foam pads, so we don't need any foam pads on the top of here, but we do need to put them on the middle, just because it will need raising to the same level as there. So we're going to do that now. So just mark in pencil the top of the arch where you don't need to stick any foam pads. And for this one, I'm going to use the large squares. And then just place that onto the card. Just going to pop a bit of construction glue on here, just so that the top does stick. And then we're just going to go in with some of the smaller toppers, so I'm just going to pop those out now. Again, I'm going to mark in pencil where I don't want my foam pads to go, because that's going to just lay on the edge of the card. And again, I'm just going to use a couple of the large square foam pads. And I'm going to put the strip sentiment on just along the bottom on here. And then finally, I'm going to take some small gemstones just to further embellish the card. And then finally, I'm going to attach the put this onto the card blank using some double-sided tape, which I've already done. And that is our card all finished.